Iceland is an island in the Atlantic Ocean, located near the Arctic Circle, between Greenland and Norway. An island of 103.000 kilometers, 40,000 square miles. It is about the same size as Hungary and Portugal, or Kentucky and Virginia. Iceland is the second largest island in Europe, following Great Britain, and the 18th largest island in the world. The coastline is 4,970 kilometers, and Iceland maintains a 200 nautical miles exclusive economic zone. It takes approximately 5 hours to fly from New York to Reykjavik, and 3 hours from London. Iceland is one of the youngest landmasses on the planet, and consequently home to some of the world's most active volcanoes. The island owes its existence to a large volcanic fissure in the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the Eurasian and American tectonic plates meet. Even today, the country is growing by about 5 centimeters per year, as it splits wider at the points where two tectonic plates meet. In 2010 Eyjafjallajökull volcano erupted, and in 2011 Grímsvötn. The latest volcanic eruption was in Hólaran from August 2014 to February 2015. The eruption produced a lava field of more than 85 square kilometers, 33 square miles. And 1.4 cubic kilometers, 0.34 cubic miles, the largest in Iceland since 1783. Iceland's highest peak is Hvalladalshnjúkur, standing 2.119 meters, 6,852 feet, over sea level. And over 11% of the country is covered by glaciers. Including Vatnajökull, the largest in Europe. Its land mass comprises glaciers, 12,000 kilometers, lava, 11,000 kilometers, sand, 4,000 kilometers, water, 3,000 kilometers, and pasture, 1,000 kilometers. Iceland is the least populated country in Europe, Almost 80% of the country is uninhabited, and much of its terrain consists of plateau, mountain peaks, and fertile lowlands. There are many long, deep fjords and glaciers, including Europe's largest, Vatnajökull. Its landscapes is characterized by waterfalls, geysers, volcanoes, black sand beaches, and otherworldly steaming lava fields. Iceland has very mild, coastal weather, stemming from the Gulf Stream. The weather is also affected by the East Greenland polar current curving southeastwards round the north and east coasts. The average summer temperature in Reykjavik is 10.6 degrees Celsius, 51 degrees Fahrenheit in July, with average highs of 24.3 degrees Celsius, 76 degrees Fahrenheit. The average winter temperature in Reykjavik is similar to New York City's, about 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit in January. Average highs are 9.9 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. The weather can be very unpredictable and often changes in an instant.